Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove the Instagram account from the Facebook page. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Here, tap on Account Center. Now, scroll down and tap on Accounts to see all the connected accounts. Here, you will find both your Instagram and Facebook profiles. Tap on Remove next to the Facebook username. Now, tap on Remove Account to begin the process. Then, tap on Continue with the confirming screen appears. Finally, tap on Yes, finish removing. As you can see, your Instagram account is now connected from your Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.